Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Diskpart has encountered an error issue on Windows. This method works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it's pretty easy to follow. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command: sfc/scano. Press Enter. Now wait for the scan to complete. This process will check and repair corrupted system files automatically. It may take several minutes, so just let it finish. Solution 2. After the SFC scan completes, stay in command prompt. Now type the following command: chkdsk/C:/R. Press Enter. If your Windows installation is on a different drive, replace C with the correct drive letter. When you see a message asking to schedule the disk check, type Y and press Enter. Final step. Restart your computer now. Restart your PC. While your computer is booting, you may see a message that says, "To skip disk checking, press any key." Do not press any key. Let Windows complete the full disk scan. Once the scan finishes, your system will boot back into Windows, and the Diskpart error should be fixed. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.